Good morning. Today we are going to be trying to go to Koh Phi Phi Island. We're gonna go walk down to Rassada Pier and try to figure out how to get the ferry over. We're currently in Phuket Town. I don't recommend doing this, but we have not booked a place to stay tonight, so we can kind of go anywhere. And so we're very flexible and we're trying to figure out the best way to get to the island. And if we can't get to Koh Phi Phi, we're gonna try to go to one of the bigger islands, like Koh Yanoi or Koh Yaye. Probably butchered the pronunciation. But yeah, it's about 7 in the morning and we're about to walk all the way to the pier. It's about an hour walk from our hostel. We're gonna get to the pier and try to figure out how to get the ferry over. So we haven't done any booking or any planning, so probably not the best way to do this, but it's the way we're doing it. But it's really good and it's just what I needed this morning, so I'm really happy with it. And now we're gonna walk an hour to the Rassada Pier.
Alright, so we just got to the pier to go to Phi Phi Islands, and as you can tell, I'm dripping sweat because it's very hot out. But we bought a open ticket for 1,000 baht each, so we have a ticket there, and then we can come back any day we want. So it's 9:30, we're at the pier. Our boat doesn't leave until 11, so we have some time to kill. There's some restaurants, so I might get some food.
And we have to book a place to sleep tonight.
Oh, and we have to still book our place to sleep tonight.
So we'll probably do that.
We'll be doing that right now. We got some corn on the cob at the boat station for 40 baht.
We are about to board the ferry to Koh Phi Phi.
Koh Phi Phi.
We're very excited. Thank you. So we have made it to Koh Phi Phi and we're pretty lost right now, but we just asked someone and so we're hoping we got the right way. So while we were on the boat, I struck up conversation with this guy who ended up being from Florida, and we were talking for a while, and then someone else overheard us who was from San Diego. And so we all had the American connection and we kept talking about home and how it was our first time on Koh Phi Phi. We have finally made it to the room. I am so sunburnt, it really hurts, but we are finally here. We have air conditioning, they gave us free water. Life is good. We're staying at the Phi Phi Green Hill Resort. This is our room. We have a mosquito net, air conditioning, thank goodness. One bed. We can hear roosters from outside, a little TV, place to put our clothes. And then here's the bathroom. Shower, toilet. Here's the bathroom, shower, toilet, sink. Exhausted. I am so ridiculously sunburnt. We wanted to go walk around a little bit, but we're both just so burnt and it hurts right now and we don't have any lotion, so we're just kind of lying in bed and hoping it'll cool down a bit. And so we're probably gonna call it a night and just walk around and explore Koh Phi Phi all tomorrow. But we did not think this through.